100%, you know. What you mean, man, I fuck up the scene if I step on. Now tackle the road without my weapon. Girl, give me the pussy so every second.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, Masicka just dropped Gifted. And we are going to review it right now. Because the man saying Gifted, you know. And remember what day him did I say if he stay strong. But right now, him a give God thanks. And I say him Gifted. You see me? So, make we see what that song you're all about now.
Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid.
Every know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that tube, and such tube, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Break it, chop, I said.
It's exploded right now.
Grateful and gifted, yeah.
100%, you know.
What you mean, man, I fuck up the scene if I step on. Now tackle the road without my weapon. Girl, give me the pussy so every second, yeah. Give me second, one of them fi bust a sweatpan, yeah. Up with the green, and that me depend, yeah, mama. Tattoo the queen, up on my left hand. House pan deal, couple mil, up on my left hand. Family first, so that me depend.
So, 2018 have been one of Masicka's best year. Or I should say, the best year. You see me? Him come out with hits like They Don't Know. And him come out with hits like Changes, Stronger. You see me? Just to name a few, because I will eat more hits him off. And when I say hits, I mean solid hit. And definitely this song again is the next one for add to him collection. The man I say him grateful and gifted. Him not stay like some of them people, some of them artists there. Some of we Jamaicans when we say, yo, you see anytime money a start flow, we figure about God and nah give the glory and now say yo, you know say we gifted. Thank God for all of them success, yeah. And I know say it can just go so like wow in a snap a second. And in the midst of all thing, Masicka still I give thanks to his mother. He no forgot about his mother, you see me? Say him tattoo his mother name on him left hand. Because enough for them boy, you know, get rich and I mind uptown girl. Get rich and I put girl in a dear apartment when their mother still living at the 1-bedroom board house. Down at one part.
Tell us I'm grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid. Grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid.
This is how enough of them artists you lack. Flow. You notice how the man a flow upon the rhythm and we know Masicka as a dancehall hardcore artist, you see me? We just a spit lyrics and a spit lyrics. But guess what? He man forward with flow and that Masicka change up on them in a 2018. The man a give them be melody and flow. So you see when it come to the test, one little baby can say, I'm grateful and gifted. If them never know the whole word, you see that little hook that we say grateful and gifted. Yo, it a go always stick to them brain. Them a go remember it, and that is what make a hit song.
Remember me tell us how we a go do it big. Genahsyde man undefeated. Make a fuck off for them girl more while. That I know me style and I know fi sleep with. Shame the pussy them, that's what we did. Money me need, fake love no needed. Bag a running that we no deal with. Friend you want kill you, what's up people wicked.
So right here some Masicka say, yo, you remember when me used to go Calabar and me I say, yo, you know say we are gonna make it dog. We are not bench and a beat rhythm. Everybody supposed to know that style, man. From you love dancehall from long time, you must know that style. You ever have a little classroom where you don't know say, yo, alright there so we are DJ for the whole lunchtime. And them thing the Masicka used to go on with and I say, yo, you know say we are gonna do it big. And look at him now. The man I do it big. And remember, you know, enough of them supposed to drop halfway. All in at the time them when Masicka put out the work. And he must say nothing now go on. And people all call him Mosquito and all these things. Enough of them supposed to drop off. But what? Masicka did the whole faith and know say yo him have to do it. Because him a do what him love, no? Masicka says sometimes them have some little girl and him just borrow it for a few time, a few minutes, probably never one night, just probably a few hours. You see me? Take 2 and joke off it and just send it back. I saw the man a deal with the girl, so you better hide her.
No, me no smile with me energy. Find the remedy for silent me enemy. As they make a penny, so them start to penny away. Like get a youth, not for rich, what them a said to me. Man, I wish life all when them wish death for me. No left my gun door, pussy can't step to me. Me never beg no man hard work, rescue me, a jack control my destiny.
Me never beg no man. A hard work rescue me. A hard work make me there where me there right now. And some boy you come like say them want style the thing. You have some youth at Jamaica and a matter of fact all around the world where them no want work and me have half a burn out them youth there. Them just sit down and premeditate and look for youth like Masicka and see him struggles and everything. And you see when him reach him pinnacle, when him reach the mountain top, he peak him career, them a go say yo DJ, beg your thing no, do me this no and do that. And when you did a struggling no, when you did a send around your song them on WhatsApp and I do shows and I send your videos them and all sort of thing, them never get a yai. And I them see him one a grown and I say watch him no, my artist, watch all of you there. Away do? He better him go do some farming or something. And now him reach big. Now him make it in a life. Them want a thing. Away you go man. Silence you out.
Tell us I'm grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid. Grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid.
People, like how you watch so far in the review, click the like button man, and if you are a new viewer, welcome to the Chaddy TV. So we do it round here with the reviews and news and everything, all of those lovely things. You see me? So people, subscribe if it's the first time you're watching. Just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people will subscribe to my channel and don't turn on post notification. What no do? What really I do? I don't want to know when me upload them big bad review ya. Eh?
Tell us I'm grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid. Grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid.
So, this is how I want to do. You see, in the comment section, want to tell me what you think about that song. You feel like it's a bad song or it's a good song? You feel like it's a song where you can hold a real meds to? Or you feel like, say, ah shit, and you just dump it? How much you rate that song? And me I go tell you my ratings, how much me give that song. You see me? From the year start still, me have to talk about Masicka success and how him just keeps consistent. From the year start, him no drop off. Him no drop off a farm, no way, no how. Remember say him do that interview there over Fox Radio, Fox TV. You hear me talk about Fox Radio? Fox TV Wadi and it take the place by storm. It go viral. This is one of Masicka best year. The man go. They don't know where they make it to BT. The man go victory. You know like his sound of victory. The man go them not happy for it. Crab in a barrel, all those good songs. Changes in life, Top Farm. And still the man go so booms and drop the video for Top Farm. We all know people are talk about that video there. You see me? So Masicka I go on good that area and nobody can tell me say that song ya now go add to him collection. Because that song ya done gifted already, you know. Even though the song is called Gifted. It gifted because it must make it to #1. Yo, me just like how Masicka reevaluate himself and say, yo, you know, say a them song ya work for me and that way ya me I go. You see me?
Tell us I'm grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid. Grateful and gifted. Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as a rich kid.
So here the party when me I go grade this song. I mean know the party I know a weird pan. So make we look pan the song now. Melody, him have it. Check. Alright. Lyrics, yeah man, me hear some lyrics in the chorus, in the verse them. So we have to check that. And is it relatable? And that song is relatable because everybody have to give thanks and gifted. Unless you not gifted, me no know. So when me I go give that song, no must 10 out of 10 man. Definitely I must 10 out of 10 me give that song. Chaddy TV approve this song. So tell me in the comment section how much you give this song. You see me? And people, remember, hit that subscribe button if you're not hit it already. And turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. And people, if you like this review, just get a like no man. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, I'm out.
Cups up, spliff big, she love fuck. Me addicted, just to live life as in a rich kid.